Video log, hot minute. This video does absolutely no justice to how bad it actually is outside right now. There was no road on the way home. There was barely even tire tracks. It's just absolutely amazing how terrible it was. And the whole time I was thinking, where am I going to park my car when I get home? There's no place to park out front. There's no place to park out back. So I ended up getting my car stuck in the parking lot in this business down the street from me. I guess I'd like to talk about life on life's terms. There's nothing else I can say. There's nothing I can do. Can't even get mad about it. That's it. I guess life on life's terms. I got AAA, so I can, if my car doesn't get a ticket or get towed in the meantime, bail myself out tonight. Is that normal? Like, do normal people do that? I guess life on life's terms. I don't know what else to say. That's been your hot minute.